Bike swap game of bike. Park Lord versus Street Lord. Rock, paper, scissors, go.
1, 2, 3, shoot.
So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 3 times.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, shoot.
I lose these every video we've done. I've lost the game. Rock, paper, scissors.
All right, you set first, boss man.
I'll try a whip.
I'm fucking scared.
Oh, dude, Reagan.
I'll set bar spin.
Bar spin?
Yeah.
You guys are like switching tricks right now.
These might fight.
A bar spin.
I'm taking it somewhere else after this, bitch.
I'm sitting right here, just so I can watch this.
Yeah. Yeah.
Into it. I'm not even
3 into it?
3 into the bank.
All right.
I'm not even trying.
I don't care.
You could do that, fool.
I can do it on my bike.
Just try it. Just commit.
I crashed into the ledge last time I did this.
You got it. Just try it.
Are you trying?
Yeah, I crashed into the ledge last time.
Yes.
Look at these seagulls.
I wanted to play.
Hey, he's got to take 3 run-ups.
People keep riding up it.
You're good now. Oh.
Yes. You did American rules.
American or English rules?
Yeah, American.
American?
Yeah.
All right, then it's your set.
I'll do 180 bar flat.
A fly out life?
Yeah, I was so scared about doing that on this.
Why?
Because it's something big. It's so much bigger than my bike.
He looks so funny on that
Not engaged!
Oh.
Fucking coaster engaged!
No, he did. He put his pedal down.
Coaster engaged! Did you see it?
Should I do whip, eh? Whip fly out?
Yeah. Yo! Your turn. Oh, you got him let on a whip. All right, boss. What's up?
I can't hurt. I'll do a 180 bar again.
It's alright.
Oi! Shh! Trying to film over here.
Oh my god! I don't care. I'll hit them fucking.
Oh, use your mulligan? Yeah.
What, with him, Jam? No, 3 foot down.
Feel
And then
some different.
Again.
Oh, fuck that.
I'm gonna hop tires to 180.
Well, I'll take a letter on that.
That's okay then. You could try it, come on.
Nah, I don't want to fucking miss my wheel and just fucking slam my back. I'll foot jam for 4.
Oh.
What should I do? I'll just do this because I think he definitely has a chance of this. Just 180 out of the corner, fakie cab into the bank.
So,
out of there to there.
okay.
Oh. Should we count it?
Comment down below. Got another. I don't know. It's you could take it or you could get another try. It's a mulligan anyway. It says it'll give you 2 more tries. Oh, what do you think about that? Another go? Do it again.
We're counting. Go.
Count it.
Yeah, go ahead.
Do a truck flat.
Get it.
Yo. All right. What you got, mate? What's up, star? What?
I'm not comfortable like hopping this because so heavy. That's not.
Let's do. Oh fuck! I don't even know if I
I
want to.
take back what I just said about it's not liking it because it's heavy.
Okay, let's do hop up on the hubba and then bar off.
Not gonna try it?
Nah.
Just try hopping up here.
No, I don't want to fucking. If I hurt myself doing that, that's just so fucking
Honestly,
dumb. For your
this
video,
would be
for
a
your
lot harder
channel,
for
that
me,
I've
huh?
got nothing.
Hey,
I'm not even gaining anything from this.
you thought this would be a lot harder for me.
No,
It's
I
hard for
didn't.
me. The only difference to him is that he's got a lighter bike and a lever in the way.
True. Now I
I've got a heavier bike
don't
with
mind the
pegs and
lever.
no brakes and a free coaster.
I've actually never rode a short lever. I've only rode long.
Hey, you had the Odyssey one, huh?
So that feels. This actually feels good.
Sorry about the bad video, guys.
It was fun.
No complaints over this side.
Oh, you're doing that? Flare. Flare.
I need you to move, dude.
What is that?
Yo. You. Back. Fucking pressure from the camera though.
Yeah. Oh! Alright, back him up.
Okay,
back him up, back him up. You got it.
Oh, damn. You good? That's why I didn't want to do it this early. You good?
Shut the fuck up!
You good? You good?
I'm fine.
Holy shit, bro. You alright?
Slow-mo.
Good bitch.
Slow-mo gang.
He's going again. Hopefully he doesn't kill me with his bike. David! Are you okay? You okay?
Mother!
He's still just laying on the floor. I feel bad. You good, David, right?
Can I film that and send it to my girlfriend?
Alright, David's trying it again. Yo! Oh! Yes! Yes.
Too slow. Very slow.
Alright, clip cut out because the camera died, but he's gonna get it again. Yes. Yeah. That was cleaner too.
Switch.
I want to see a feeble 180.
I can't switch pegs feeble.
Just try it.
You get my little teeth thing?
No, I didn't.
What the fuck?
Get it, mijo. Oh.
Oh, Harry, the street god. Whoa.
Alright, keep it going, keep it going. Lines, foo.
Whoa. Hey, I got one.
Ah. Heavy street rider. Yeah!
Why?
Yo.
Yeah.
Oh! Fucking shit coaster, it engages every time. Oh! I'm not even married and it engaged. Let's flip.
Oh. Oh.
Oh! I'm gonna... Why is it every time?
This bitch ass bitch still getting the clip. You suck.
Finally.
What you want?
Money.
Oh my god.
Sorry.
Just get it.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So clean.
Boys, Star's going. Majestic T-Bog. Majestic Bog. Woo! Yeah, mate.